Hi, and welcome to the MilitaryHaircutAcademy.com. My name is Kathy, and I am co-founder. So, I'm here to explain to you why it is I have a baby on my back. Pandemic virus. Clearly, schools and childcare are closed. So you will see baby appearances, and you will hear babies throughout both Jeremy and my videos. So we have two videos to share with you in this one cutting category of cut his hair. Jeremy is going to be sharing with you how to do a precision cut. So if you want the perfect cut, more down to the bare skin, it requires more tools and more precision, you're going to want to follow Jeremy's videos. I'm creating a series of videos now for you that are going to show you how to do a cut with less tools. Because of the pandemic, COVID-19, tools are selling out and it's hard to find all the clippers that you need to get that cut that Jeremy does. So I'll be doing a simpler cut with less tools. We are smart and safe for cutting our hair at home. Thank you so much for joining us online. I'm really excited to hear about your experience. In fact, you'll see today is a pajama day for me. It's probably a pajama day for you. So please remember to take that before and after photo so everyone can see both what your experience is like cutting hair and what kind of cool pajamas you like to wear. Have a great day.